What do you understand notes?
Understanding notes on a piece of paper. So when you look at music, let's look at complicated music for a second. C is in the middle. You got it. All right. So here's some more complicated music, right? Come over here. What are we looking at?
Where are you looking at notes?
At notes. Okay. So what do you see that's the same at the beginning of the lines, for instance? Here and here and here and here and here.
Well.
Some squiggly lines, right? All right. So the lines here. The little black lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, and then another set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Each of those is called a staff. Okay? So this is a staff, and that's a staff. All 5 of them together are called a staff.
So like,
all right?
the up high goes like longer like this?
Yeah. So the up higher ones are up in here, and the lower ones are down in here. Does that make sense?
So the lower ones go like that?
Well, the lower ones can be played in a different way, but all this is telling you just which one to play. Okay?
So like the higher ones go like.
Oh, higher ones are up here.
Okay.
Yep. And lower ones are down there. All right, now pay attention. Over here, we have it all broken down. This squiggly thing and this squiggly thing is called a clef. Okay?
A clef.
A clef. And it tells you where the notes are. So, this one is called a treble clef. Say that.
A treble clef.
Treble clef, and you'll be in trouble if you don't remember the treble clef. Okay? So that's how you remember it. I'm going to be in trouble. Oh, you just changed one letter and it's treble instead of trouble. Okay, treble clef. And this one is called the bass clef.
So it's okay if you mess up on the bass clef.
It's not hard to remember. What's low down in your house? What's the bottom floor called? Basement, right? So bass clef is lower down. All right. Now, in between the two clefs, we have a floating line. Let me find an example of it. Oh, there it is. Middle C. See how middle C is drawn on its own floating line right there? So, the treble clef and the bass clef, and in between, you have middle C. Okay? And then, so the notes can be written on a line, like this, or they can be written on a space, like this. Does that make sense? Come and look at this, you guys see it. Pull the chair up. It can be written on a space, or a line, and they can be written way high up here, on the very top space of the treble clef, or they can be written way down here, on a low space of the bass clef.
Like this.
Okay, so all this is doing is telling you which notes to play.
So like middle C, so no and middle.
Where's middle C? Find it. Oh, on the piano.
Oh, middle C.
Good, it's the C that's right in front of you. It's right in the middle. So, play this note.
Middle C.
Go ahead and play it.
Oh, it's a low middle C.
Nope, it's not low, it's just middle C.
Okay, middle C.
Yeah. Now, what about this one? What note is this?
A space.
It's a space. Good. Now, C is right in the middle, correct?
Yes.
Now, if we go up one, that would be D, and we just go up the alphabet, right?
Yeah.
E, F, G, A. Alright, so that would be A. Now, how are you going to remember what all of the lines and spaces are?
Simply by remembering the alphabet.
The alphabet, okay. But if I was just to point to you and say, what's that note? 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 How are you going to do it? Bless you.
Well.
I'll teach you. You ready to learn?
Yes.
Okay, you ready to learn? It's actually pretty simple. We just come up with funny little things to help us remember. So we have lines and spaces, correct?
Yeah.
And they're all notes. So, in the treble clef, say that word again.
Treble clef.
Treble clef. Say it.
Treble clef.
Treble clef, good. We have 5 lines, and in between them we have the 4 spaces. So the 5 lines are E, G, B, D, F. Now, how are you going to remember that?
By remembering, by you teaching us a funky way.
Okay, here's the funky way. Every good boy deserves fudge. Say it.
Fudge.
Every good boy deserves fudge. Say it.
Every good boy deserves fudge.
Okay.
I don't like fudge.
Oh, that's okay. You don't have to like it. You just have to remember it. E, G, B, D, F. Every good boy deserves fudge. Okay? Say it again.
Okay. E.
Oh, be careful. This is only for the treble clef.
Okay. E. D.
Oh, careful. E, G, B, D, F. Because it's every good boy deserves fudge. That's all I want you to say right now. Is the
E. B.
no E. Every good boy deserves fudge. Say it.
Okay. E. B.
No. Just say what I said.
Every good boy deserves fudge.
All right. So you can remember that, right? Okay. Now we got to know the spaces too.
Yeah.
Okay. So if that's E, the bottom line is E, because it's every good boy deserves fudge. Then the space right after it is F, right? Because E, F, G. That's how the alphabet goes. So as we go up the alphabet. So the spaces are F, A, C, E. What word does that spell?
F. A. Wait, can you say that again?
F, A, C, E. What word did I just spell?
F. A. C. E.
If I write out those letters, what word do I have? What word do I have?
A.
Almost. The C is a soft C. S. Face. Face. Ah. Okay.
You have a face.
You have a face. So F, A, C, E. So the spaces spell face, and the lines are what?
Every boy deserves fudge.
Every what kind of boy?
Good boy deserves
Okay, gotta get it in the right order. Every good boy deserves fudge. Okay? Got it? And spaces in the treble clef, and spaces in the bass clef. Okay? Alright, let's learn the spaces in the bass clef first. They're A, C, E, and G. How are you gonna remember it?
Every good boy deserves fudge.
Right, but we're in the bass clef and those letters don't match up. So, A, C, E, G, you're gonna remember all cows eat grass.
All cows eat grass.
Say it.
All cows eat grass.
Okay, so the bottom space is A for all, the second space is C for cows, and then the third space is E, the fourth space is G. Does that make sense? Yeah? Okay, now the lines. There's a couple of different ways we can do it, but I think the easiest one is to kind of remember.
Every good boy deserves fudge.
Okay, but
Every cow
here,
eats grass.
all cows eat grass.
All cows eat grass.
All cows eat grass. Okay, so on the lines now, we have G, B, D, F, and A. So, we'll say good boys deserve fudge always. Say that.
All good
No. Good boys deserve fudge always. Alright, so I'll write them all down so you guys don't forget. How's that sound? I had a pencil. I'll pass Jimmy's over on the way.